practical skill have you learned? Who taught you that skill? How did you learn it? Why did you learn it? How long did it take for you to learn it? How often do you use this skill? How has this skill helped you? Do people in your family know this skill too? Do all skills need learning? How is this skill important to you?
Cooking is a practical skill that I have practiced recently. My mom is the best cook. She taught me everything about how to make soup, salad, omelets, cake, etc. She shows me how to buy food, prepare ingredients, and cook meals whenever she's in the kitchen. I learned how to boil, grill, steam, fry, braise, etc. day by day. I just want to be a good cook like my mom when I get married. I will prepare the best dishes for my husband and children. I learned it in 4 years. The skill seems to be strengthened when I live apart from my family for studying. I cook every day. I also love homemade food. It makes me more confident whenever I go on a picnic outside. I'm always responsible for the barbecue. My younger sister knows how to cook too. She has just started learning. Yes, they do. Practice makes perfect. It's an essential life skill. All women need to know this to keep their family warm and happy.